In a world filled with fast food, delivery apps, and endless choices, there are still families who eat in a completely different way. No shortcuts, no convenience meals, no constant variety. So what do Amish families really eat every day? And why has their diet remained almost unchanged for generations? The Amish are a traditional Christian community living mainly in the United States, especially in Pennsylvania, Ohio, and Indiana. Their lives are built around simplicity, faith, and strong family values. They avoid many modern technologies, and this choice shapes not only how they live, but also how they eat. Food in Amish life is not separated from daily routine. It is part of the rhythm of the day, just like work, prayer, and family time. Meals are not rushed. They are prepared slowly, often from ingredients grown, raised, or made at home. A typical Amish day starts early. Before breakfast, there are chores. Animals are fed, cows are milked, eggs are collected. The kitchen becomes active, while the rest of the house slowly wakes up. Food is not something that appears instantly. It is created from effort. Breakfast is simple but filling. Eggs are common, often cooked fresh from the morning collection. Bread is usually homemade, sometimes baked the day before. Butter, jam, or preserves are added, often made from fruit grown in family gardens. There may be oatmeal or porridge, especially in colder seasons. Milk is always present. It comes directly from cows and is used in many forms: drinking, cooking, baking. Coffee is sometimes included, though not always in the way modern people expect. The goal is not stimulation, but warmth and routine. Midday meals depend on the work being done. For farming families, lunch may be taken in the fields or brought from home. It is practical, often including bread, cheese, meat, and simple sides. There are no packaged snacks or processed foods. Everything has a clear origin. Dinner is the main meal of the day. This is when families gather together. Tables are often full, especially in larger households. Meals can include roasted chicken, beef, or pork, along with potatoes, vegetables, noodles, and bread. The food is hearty, designed to support physical work. Vegetables play an important role. Gardens provide fresh produce during warmer months. Tomatoes, beans, carrots, corn, and squash are common. In colder seasons, preserved vegetables are used. Canning is a major part of Amish food preparation. Canning allows families to store food for long periods without refrigeration. Jars of fruits, vegetables, sauces, and pickled items line shelves in basements and kitchens. This is not just tradition, it is a necessity. Desserts are also common. Pies, cakes, cookies, and pastries are often homemade. These are not luxury items. They are part of daily life, especially after dinner or during gatherings. Sugar is used, but within the balance of an overall simple diet. Cooking methods reflect the lifestyle. Without relying on modern electric appliances, many Amish households use gas stoves, wood-burning ovens, or alternative energy sources. Food preparation takes time. It involves hands-on work, kneading dough, peeling vegetables, mixing ingredients. This process creates something beyond food. It creates connection. Meals are rarely eaten alone. Family members sit together, share food, and talk. There is no background noise from screens, no distraction from devices. Eating becomes a moment of presence. Food is also deeply connected to hospitality. Guests are always welcome. When someone visits, they are offered a meal or something to eat. Refusing food is considered impolite. Sharing food strengthens relationships and reinforces community bonds. The Amish diet may seem simple, but it is highly functional. It provides energy for long hours of physical labor. It relies on local resources. It avoids dependency on external systems. In many ways, it is designed for sustainability. But food is not only about survival, it is also about values. Amish cooking reflects discipline. Meals require time and effort. Ingredients are not wasted. Food is respected because it represents work. This creates a different relationship with what is eaten. It also reflects humility. There is no focus on presentation or luxury. Food is not meant to impress. It is meant to nourish. This aligns with broader Amish values of modesty and simplicity. Traditions around food are passed down through generations. Children learn to cook by helping in the kitchen. They watch, repeat, and slowly understand the process. Skills are not taught in theory, they are practiced daily. However, the modern world is slowly influencing Amish food habits. In some communities, store-bought ingredients are becoming more common. Sugar, flour, and certain packaged items are easier to access. Some families adapt, while others remain stricter in their practices. Technology also plays a role. While many Amish avoid electricity from public grids, some use limited power sources for specific tasks. This can affect how food is stored or prepared. Despite these changes, the core of Amish eating remains the same. It is based on simplicity, effort, and connection. In a world where food is often fast, processed, and disconnected from its source, Amish families offer a different perspective. They show what happens when food is part of life, not separate from it. Their meals are not about convenience. They are about routine, not about choice, but about consistency, not about speed, but about time. And perhaps that is the deeper meaning. Because when food takes time, when it requires effort, when it is shared with others, it becomes something more than just something to eat. It becomes part of how people live.